From the following frequency distribution, calculate first quartile and third quartile. Class intervals 100 to 110, 110 to 120, 120 to 130, 130 to 140, 140 to 150, 150 to 160, 160 to 170, 170 to 180, 180 to 190. So these are the class intervals in the first column. And in the second column, we have the frequency 4, 0, 3, 7, 11, 8, 5, 0, 2. So that is the question. So we need to find out the first quartile and the third quartile from the given numbers. We'll have to make 3 columns here. The first column, the second column, we can copy from the question itself as it is, okay? But the third column, we need to write down cumulative frequency CF. We need to calculate and write this. So in the first step, from the frequency, we will just write in the cumulative frequency also 4. But from next step, we need to add up the numbers. So 4 from the cumulative frequency CF and 0 from frequency. If we add up, it is 4 itself. So we'll write 4 there. Now 4 from CF plus frequency 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 7 frequency 14. 14 plus 11, 25. 25 plus 8, 33. 33 plus 5, 38. 38 plus 0, 38. And 38 plus 2, 40. Second column, frequency, we need to total it and write down n equal to 40. So 40 total frequency 40 and cumulative frequency, the last number 40, they must be same. Now let us find out Q1 first. So Q1 is equal to n by fourth item. So n is 40. In place of n, we are writing 40 divided by 4. So 4 tens are 40. We can cut it off and write down only 10 is remaining. So 10th item. Q1 is equal to 10th item. So we'll have to find out that 10 in cumulative frequency. Under this cumulative frequency numbers, in which number does 10 lies? So 10 lies in 14. So 14, if we go straight after to the frequency, 7. So 7 is the frequency. So we'll give that F, and the number, the cumulative frequency preceding the frequency is 7 here. So CF will be written down here. We'll choose 7 as the CF, 7 here as the F. And if we go straight there, this is the class interval 130 to 140. This is the class. Okay, we'll have to choose L1 equal to 130. Lower limit of the class interval will be L1. Okay, so that is 130. Now, after finding out those numbers like that, we'll write Q1 lies between 130 to 140. L1 is equal to 130, F is equal to 7, CF is equal to 7, and I is equal to 10. I is what? It is the gap between the class intervals. So 130 to 140 is 10. The gap is 10. So I is equal to 10. Now we'll write this formula. Q1 is equal to L1 plus N divided by 4 minus CF divided by F multiplied by I. So Q1 formula is that one, okay? So in place of those formulas, we need to insert the numbers. So L1 is 130. L1 is equal to 130, so we'll write here 130 plus N by 4, we have got 10. So then will be written here minus CF is 7, so we'll write 7 here divided by F is 7, so F is 7 multiplied by I is 10. So we have written here 10. Now next step, we'll write down 130 plus 3 divided by 7 means 10 minus 7 is 3 divided by 7 multiplied by 10. Now 3 divided by 7, if we do here, we'll get 0.42. So 130 plus 0.42 multiplied by 10 is equal to 130 plus, if we multiply those two numbers, we are getting 0.20. So we have written here, which is equal to, now if we add up the two numbers here, then we're getting 134.20. So Q1 is equal to 134.20. Okay. Now let us find out Q3. Q3 is equal to 3n by 4th item, which is equal to 3 into 4, 40, because n is 40. So 3 into 40 divided by 4th item is equal to 3 into 40, 120 divided by 4. So we can cut it off. 4 30s are 120. So 30th item is equal to Q3. Now, as we got 30, now this 30, we'll have to find out here where does this 30 lies under the cumulative frequency. So 30 lies under 33, right? So 30 is in here. So we'll choose 8 as the frequency. 8 is given as F here. And cumulative frequency, preceding the frequency is 25. So we are giving this as CF. And straight to that of frequency, class interval is 150 to 160. So this is the class. So we are giving this 150 as L1 because 150 is the lower limit of the class. Okay. So we can write here Q3 lies between 150 to 160 according to this table. L1 is equal to 150, F is equal to 8, CF is equal to 25, I is equal to 10 because the cap is 10. Now Q3 is equal to, let us write the formula, L1 plus 3n by 4 minus CF divided by F multiplied by I. It is equal to, we'll insert the numbers now, 150 in place of L1 plus 30 in place of 3n by 4, okay, minus CF is 25 divided by F is 8 multiplied by 10. Now 150 plus 30 minus 25 will be 5 divided by 8 will be written here multiplied by I is 10. It is equal to 150 plus 5 divided by 8. 5 divided by 8, when we solve it, we are getting 0.62. So we'll write here 0.62 multiplied by 10 equal to 150 plus, now 0.62 multiplied by 10 will be 0.6.20. So this number, if we multiply, we're getting this. So we'll write here 0.6.20. Now 150 plus 0.6.20 is equal to 156.20. We have summed up here. Okay, those two numbers. So we're getting this for Q3. Q3 is equal to 156.20. So we can write, therefore, first quartile is equal to 134.20 and third quartile is equal to 156.20 here. Okay, so this is how we will be solving this answer.